Imagine controlling a robot just with your facial expressions. Sounds futuristic, right? Today, we're making it a reality using AI face detection and Python in Pictoblox. First, we'll set up Pictoblox and activate the AI extension to detect emotions using the webcam. Then, we'll write Python code that captures the face, recognizes emotions like happy, sad, surprised, or angry, and sends corresponding commands to the Quarky robot, making it move forward when happy, backward when sad, spin when surprised, and stop when angry. Now for the fun part, testing it live. As we make different expressions, the robot responds instantly, bringing AI-powered interactivity to life. And there you have it. We just built an emotion-responsive robot using Python in Pictoblox. What emotion should we add next? Comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting AI and robotics projects.